just regular headlights. What is going on, y'all? Today I'm in the backyard. I had a company reach out to me and they wanted to send me some lights. There's lights. They are both, they say light bars, but they're fog lights basically. I told them to send me one for my truck and one for the quad. Today we're going to be putting them on the truck. I'm going to go. Got 2 holes already in the bumper that looks pretty center. Got some tools, wrenches, wiring, pliers, this stuff. Let's get to it. The switch that leads to nowhere, but at least it's already there and it looks usable. Step 1 wiring done. The button's already done. It's the important part right there, the fuse. Even comes with zip ties. This thing's like $8. Gonna assume that this would be the ground for the fog lights. Got a nice crimp with heat shrink on it. And we've got, so we're on the fog lights to the switch. Finally, this should be our power to switch with a fuse. There's our fuse. And then this will go to our switch as well. I'm going to start with attaching the harnesses to the fog lights. Alright, so I'm going to ground them. Black. Use the easy connector. Use this bolt. Hook that up too. Test them out. Those are pretty bright. I'm going to be very courteous and I'm going to aim them and make sure that I'm not blinding people because they're bright enough looking at them. But really I won't be using them on the road that much. Simple switch. On. Off. Alright, so that's the setup I got going. This is another ground that I have on that bolt right there. This is to ground the switch. This is our power to the fog lights. And this is our power from the battery. When you flip the switch, it takes the power, gives it to the fog lights. So I'm going to get this back together, tighten up the wiring, zip tie where zip ties are needed. Alright, so the interior's back in. Make sure the button still works. Oh yeah. There is a cat in my yard. I don't own a cat. Alright, time to clean up some wiring. So in addition to the heat shrink that was on the terminals already, I'm going to electrical tape the living hell out of this. The truck's going to be off-road occasionally. Want it to be watertight or release as best as we can. I got the rest of the wires ran. Got positive running right back. And we've got our open up the wheel. And my main concern, I guess, or point of interest was just keeping off any hard edges, so as it vibrates and shakes and moves around, it won't rub through those wires and cause a short or something like that. So, just gonna finish the bottom and we're done. They are done. Stay tuned for the night shot. Alright y'all, so as promised, here is a night shot. Alright y'all, thanks for tuning in. Little fog light install, super bright. Go check out Zmoon on Amazon. I think they're like 30 bucks or something like that. They're waterproof, 24,000 lumens. Go check them out. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, here we go. This is just regular headlights. And then this is with the new fog lights. Quite a bit brighter. Definitely opens up the side. See a lot more on the sides. So I'd say they're pretty good.